Eddie Furlong in T2?
Oh no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about number 3. The guy who played him.
Guy? Who cares?
He went nuts
Fuck
and he's
him.
like missing.
Yeah, good. Get the fuck out of here. No one likes you. It's alright.
What's up? Down the hatch, Tony.
Cheers.
Crazy fuckers. Fish. I'm kind of annoyed. The only person that got it in this fucking case. So sad. You're the only one that got anything.
Wow.
And that was at the other hole.
Wrong hole, Tony.
Wrong hole. What? Whoops.
Yeah,
sorry,
big
it
fish
slipped.
chasing the other one.
Alright, I gotta find another good one.